Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Chevy Silverado LT Extended Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z6698A. Only 58,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold the Silverado brand new, black in color. This extended cab seats 6 with a cloth interior. Split seat bottoms flip up, give you additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. Hard fiberglass tonneau cover. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Rear parking sensors for additional safety and trailering package. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Large, easy to read gauges, temperature and compass display in the dash. Again, only 59,000 miles. Tilt wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Lots of storage space in the armrest, otherwise up and out of the way for a middle passenger, with additional under seat storage, and dual glove boxes with the owner's manual inside, and home link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles per gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6698A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.